No, nah.
Dr. J is something my dad talks about, my granddad talks about, I still talk about. I mean, I think he'll go one player like another player, generations after generation.
Woo!
Years development as a basketball.
Well, I think it was just what you said, the style. I think the individuality of him on his team.
I know.
But I knew Dr. J, who he was.
Thanks, mommy.
What's up? He was always professional. It seemed like,
What's up?
it was always
Huh?
demeanor, but
Is that it? No milk?
you knew that what he had inside
Where's the milk?
you wanted it, and maybe you had
Huh?
a little in there.
Where's the milk?
Chance to play.
Rawr. Rawr.
No one glided or even tried to have body movements like him. So he taught me, he can be all individual.
Doc was just so smooth. He was smooth above the rim.
Are we done?
And below the rim.
Are we done here?
So cool.
Mm-hmm.
I can remember one time at LSU, I missed class.
Be here, but
He was down there